inside my hands. Try to apologize. You so wonder when you cry. This just calm it down. Don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not. Baby, when I know you're only sorry you got caught.
But you put on quite a show. Really let me know. And now it's not to know. Curtains finally closing. Now it's quite a show. Very entertaining. But it's over now.
But it's over now.
I wanna take a bow.
Grab your clothes and get gone.
You better hurry up
Before this spring can come on. Talk about girl, I love you, one day one. This is looks like home day one.
please.
Our ass is on. And don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not. Baby, when I know you're only sorry you got caught.
But you put on quite a show. Really let me know. And now it's time to go. Curtains finally closing. Now it's quite a show. Very entertaining. But it's over now.
But it's over
I
now.
wanna take a bow. Oh, Wendy, I work for the best, like close to you, for making me believe that you could be faithful to me. Let's hear your speech now.
How about a round of applause? It's standing ovation. But to pour out gotta show. Really had me going. Well, it's time to go. Curtains finally closing. That just gotta show. Very entertaining.
It's over now.
But it's over now. Gonna take goodbye.
But it's over now.
Não. Essa ficou meio